And in column B, how these virtues or qualities will help them in serving the nation. Now they've started with stanza 2. Help us whenever we need your help. So that they may, why are they needing the help? Yes?
So that they will build a world free of evils.
So that they could build a world free of evils.
Yes. Then next one of you read out.
Teach us to be
Teach us
focused,
to be
responsible,
focused,
firm in youth.
responsible, and firm in youth.
Yes. What will be the answer?
They wish to
We
strengthen the
must take
nation
risks.
by
It will
firmly
give us
standing
a
by the truth. They
1
wish
minute.
to
I'm having
strengthen the nation.
not getting the text. Yes. Who would like to answer?
They wish to strengthen the nation by firmly standing by the truth.
Okay. They wish to strengthen the nation by firmly standing by the truth. Okay. The next one is stanza 4. Now they have given column B. That is, column B is what? How these qualities will help them in serving the nation. Now, what virtue are they asking for? We may make a useful sacrifice to bring freedom and dignity to the individual. Now, what virtue
Teach,
should you have?
teach us
teach
to
us.
rule ourselves always, controlled and cleanly night and day.
No. Teach us to, 1 minute, let me see.
Teach us to be disciplined.
Teach us to rule ourselves always. Okay, yes. Teach us to rule, yes. Fourth stanza is that only. Now only you should be the judge of our action.
So that we may walk uncowed by fear
Yes,
or
so
favor
that
of.
we may work fearlessly without thinking about what people will say. There will be no fear of what the people will say. Yes. Sixth one. Now, we may not harm the weak and may provide solace to those in misery. Solace means comfort. Comfort to those in misery. Misery is, what is
Sorrow.
misery? Sorrow, yes. What
Ma'am,
are they
teaches
asking
the
for? What
strength.
quality? Give us the strength.
Ma'am, teach
We
that
should
cannot
have
seek.
strength to do right deeds.
Yes, give us the strength to help the weak ones. Now, teach us to seek happiness in simplicity and nobility and to learn forgiveness. Now, how will this help you? Teach us to seek happiness in simplicity and nobility. What will happen then? We will love all the people on this earth. When you seek happiness in simplicity and nobility and you forgive, then you start loving everyone. Isn't it? Okay. Now, next one. This an extract is given and you have to answer the question. First one. Teach us to bear the yoke in youth with steadfastness and careful truth, that in our time thy grace may give the truth whereby the nation live. Now, what yoke is the speaker referring to in the first line? Children, you should have a notebook and a pen with you so that you note down the answer. We are discussing here and you will be writing this term, you will be writing the answers yourself. I'll discuss, you will have your video also, and you can open the video and see what answer has been discussed and write. We will not give in writing this time. So I'm going very slowly so that everyone can follow. what yoke is the speaker referring to in the first line? Yoke means responsibility. What responsibility is the speaker talking about? Who will give the answer? The speaker is talking about the responsibility of nation building.
Responsibility of the nation.
The name.
Yes, who would like to give the answer? Yes, fast, children.
The teacher is
Ayushi?
responsibility to serve our nation.
Yes, responsibility to serve our
Referring to the
nation.
you that children the nation by firmly standing the truth.
Serve our nation to be. Yes, responsibility.
In the first line by Yoke, the poet is referring to the responsibility of the youth to build a strong nation.
Yes, poet is referring to the responsibility of nation building. Yes. What does the poet mean by careful truth?
Truth which cannot hurt someone.
Very good. The truth which does not bring harm others. Yes, that truth the poet is talking about. The truth which does not, careful truth. Next one. Next one. Okay. What does the phrase in our time in line 3 refer to?
Ma'am, when we are grown up, when we
In the
become a
future.
citizen.
Phrase in
In
our
our
time
time
refers
means
to the time
In
when
our
children
time
become
refers to the
grown up
time when
and
children
take the
becomes grown ups
responsibility to
and
serve
take
their
their
mother.
responsibility to serve their motherland.
very good. In our time means when they will grow up
When we-
and take up the responsibility. Yes. Anyone with any other answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we become
The phrase
citizen
in
of our
our
nation.
time in line 3 refer to time when the children will grow up and take care of their nation.
Yes, very good. All the answers are same, almost same. The phrase in our time means when they will grow up and take up the responsibility. As I told you yesterday, that when you will choose your profession and you will go in your profession, your duty will be to serve your nation. Now, whatever work you do, whatever profession you take up, you are serving your nation by doing that, isn't it? If you are a teacher, you are serving the nation how? By imparting education. Then if you are a doctor, you are giving service to your nation by taking medical care of the people living in this nation. If you are an engineer, you are again giving service to the nation by building bridges, dams, other things. In other ways also, engineers are helping. Same way, all the people, they are doing their duty. And when do you do your duty? When you grow up. Now next one, the truth whereby the nation live.
The truth whereby the nations live
It means that children who are the
Means
future
that
citizens of the
children who
country
are the future of
prays to
children's
God to
country
make
pray
them
to God to
honest,
make them
responsible,
honest,
and
responsible,
truthful.
and
They
truthful.
also pray to give them the strength to always stand by the truth.
Yes, to give them strength. The truth whereby the nation live means to give us strength or to strengthen your nation by firmly standing by the truth. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Land
Ma'am,
of
can
our
you repeat
birth,
it?
our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee, head, heart, and hand through the years to be. Now, why does the poet call his motherland land of our faith, birth, faith, and pride? Why?
The speaker call is motherland,
Because
the
it's
land of
comprised
faith,
of the
pride,
customs,
because
belief,
it
and
comprised
tradition
of the
which he believes in,
belief and
Please,
and
one
tradition
by
it
one,
which
has
he
one
given
by
believes
him.
one,
in, and it
one
has
by one.
given him.
Yes, Aditi, you would like to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give the
The
answer.
speaker called his motherland the land of faith, pride, because it comprised of the custom, belief, and tradition which he believes in, and it has given him his identity and recognition. He is known of his
One
cultural
minute,
heritage.
1 minute, 1 minute. Children, you have to answer this in one sentence. Why? Because the extract is given and the question is from that. So in one or two sentence, hardly two sentence, you have to give the answer because these questions are for 1 mark only
Ma'am,
in
can
the
I?
question paper. So
Ma'am, can I?
give a short answer, very in one line or maybe 2 lines at the most. Yes, Divya Raj.
Ma'am, can I? Can I? Ma'am, Ayushi.
Ayushi, give the answer. You have to be fast, children. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time.
The speaker calls his motherland the land of faith and pride because it compromises of the customs, beliefs, and tradition which believes in, and it has given him his identity and recognition.
Yes, it's okay. Anyone with a very short answer? Why does the poet call the motherland land of our faith, our pride? Why are you proud of this nation?
It is my mother. It is the
Because,
right
yes, it is your
motherland.
motherland and your forefathers have sacrificed their life for the nation. So you feel proud, isn't it? Any other answer? Children, you can have the various answers. I'm not saying that only one answer will be correct. It should be meaningful answer. Why are you proud? Why is it called the land of our faith, our pride? Yes, any other with any other answer? No? Then we should proceed. Next one. Why? How does the poet wish to serve his motherland? How does the poet
The
wish to
poet
By being sincere,
The
honest,
poet
hardworking, responsible, and loving,
Yes.
mentally, emotionally, and physically.
Yes,
People
yes.
wish to serve their motherland with head,
Ma'am,
hand,
by
and heart,
being a sincere, honest,
unpolluted
hardworking,
heritage of the
responsible, and
Now,
loving.
children, although this is correct, but if the same question, see the same answer, you have to write in the third answer question also. So don't give this. How does the poet wish to serve his motherland? It should be the poet wishes to serve the motherland wholeheartedly, wholeheartedly, with heart and soul. And the next one will be, what do the words head, heart, and hand in the line refer to? Here you can write head, heart, and hand refer to mental, emotional, and physically. Serving the nation mentally, emotionally, and physically. Otherwise, you will have both the questions will have the same answer. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what purpose is served by repetition of the word ours? Why has the poet used the word ours?
The repetition of the
In
word
the line one, the repetition of
in
the
line
word
one, the
our
repetition of word are
indicates the
One
feeling
create
minute.
a
that
sense of
all the
belongingness to the
countrymen
motherland.
are equal for the motherland.
Srija.
You can see now that
Ma'am,
one is
Ayushi.
answering. So you stop. As soon as you see that the other child is answering, you stop. Otherwise, everyone is shouting.
the
No
line
one
one-
can hear. No, Ayushi,
In the
you have
line
already
one-
answered. Who would like to answer? One boy I
Srija.
heard.
Aditya.
Aditya.
Srija.
Okay, now you
Aditya.
answer.
In line 1, the repetition of the word are create a sense of belongingness to the motherland.
Very good. Create a sense of belongingness, or you can say that the nation is theirs. Theirs means children.
Ma'am, it gives a feeling.
It gives a feeling
it
that
gives
all
a
the
feeling
countrymen
that
are
all
equal
the
for the
countrymen
motherland.
equal for the.
Okay, okay.
I
Now,
would like to answer.
yes, say.
The repetition of the word are in line 1 is to arouse the feeling of patriotism and evoke devotion towards their nation. It is to reiterate that their motherland is the cause of their pride and that they all have equal faith, trust, and belief in it.
Shrija, just now what did I say? The answer should be in one line.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
One
can
thing I
I?
would like to tell you, children, more knowledge here becomes a dangerous thing. Okay. Why? Because when you write a big answer, you may have mistakes also in that. And if you give the answer, big answer, and your copy goes to some other school for checking, and your answer, even a small mistake you make there, your teacher can cut your marks. So, to be on the safe side, give your answer in one sentence and you will get full marks. Isn't it? Your answer
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be marks fetching also. So I know that you are knowing everything, but you should give this kind of answer only when the question carries 2 to 3 marks. Then you can give this big answer. But if it carries only 1 mark, you should give a very short answer, that is one line answer. So don't go in detail. You give a one line answer. What does the word ours mean? Ours mean either you write to denote, it denotes the sense of belongingness for the children, or the nation is theirs. The poet wants to emphasize that the nation belongs to them. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
explain the
Yes,
following. We pledge to thee our love and toil in the years to be. We pledge to thee. To thee here means God. We pledge,
Ma'am
we
Ayushi.
promise.
Ma'am Ayushi.
Yes, Ayushi, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The poet in the line pledges that he will keep loving his motherland and will work hard to serve for its interest for the years to come.
Yes. Anyone with any other answer? Yes, anyone? It's very easy. This one is very easy. We pledge to thee. We make a promise to thee. Thee here does not mean God, children. We pledge to thee. What does it mean?
It means the motherland. They are taking
Yes,
pledge to the motherland.
it is, we pledge to the motherland to love and toil, to love it and do hard work in the years to come. That means when we will grow up into responsible citizen, we will serve our country with hard work and love our motherland. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? No. No? That we may bring if need arise, no maimed or worthless sacrifice.
Ma'am, ma'am Ayushi. Ma'am
That means
Ayushi.
whenever the need arise, we will,
Ma'am
what
Ayushi.
kind of sacrifice will you make? A worthless sacrifice or
Ma'am
a
Ayushi.
useful
A
sacrifice?
birthright. A useful sacrifice.
Yes, Shrija?
Yes, ma'am. That if there is need to sacrifice oneself to the nation, then there should be a useful sacrifice which is meant to give wholeheartedly and with a feeling of devotion and patriotism, rather than giving a trivial sacrifice and that too of no use.
Okay. Now in these lines, you can explain in 3-4 sentences also. Yes.
Ma'am,
These type of
I
yes. Ayushi, yes, give your answer.
yes, ma'am. In this line, the poet highlights the need of making collective efforts to stand for the country at the time of necessity, instead of getting wound or by making useless sacrifices, which may not better the situation.
Okay. Anyone with any other answer? Divya, you want to answer? No? Aditya Raj, yes. You want to answer? No. Okay, next one. That we with thee may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. With thee, with God. That we with
Ma'am,
thee.
I can say,
If God
And
is
can
with
I?
us,
can I?
then
Children, when the children are with
I
God,
need not bother for the praise or criticism of the people around me. Yes?
Ma'am, Ayushi Patel.
Yes, Ayushi, answer fast because we are running out of time.
Aditya.
In this
I'm
line, the
Prachi.
poet suggests that the people must not walk in courage to support a crowd or must stride forward in insecurity to counter such crowd. The poet thus suggests that the people must not influenced by the popular sentiments and emotions of people and must aspire to uplift the country through progressive actions.
Yes. Give a simple answer, children. I think simple answers are better. You are reading out the answer from somewhere. What you have understood, you give that answer. Yes, Prachi.
The children prayed to God to make them fearless and face any situation courageously and with faith in Him.
Yes. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. We, the youth of the nation, will walk fearlessly in our nation.
Fearlessly in our nation. Why? By fear or favor of the crowd. Why? That we with thee, when God is with us, we can walk uncowed, fearlessly. There will be no, you will not be bothered for by the praise or the criticism of the people around you. When God will be your judge, you will not have to see what others are saying. This is what it means. Mirth that has no bitter spring. What does this mean?
Ma'am, this line means that we don't have happiness by hurting someone.
Very good. Very simple. We should not get happiness by hurting others. Now, the repetition of a sound to create a musical effect in the poem is called alliteration. Now, in this poem, the figure of speech we are going to do is alliteration. That is the repetition of the same sound. Like in Hindi, you must have heard Chacha ne chachi ko Chandni Chowk mein, like this. Have you heard or not? This is
Yes,
alliteration.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, there is one more. She saw seashells, something like that. Have you heard?
Yes, ma'am. She
I
saw
can't pronounce it. That is why I'm not saying. Shrija, can you pronounce?
Yes, ma'am. She sells seashells on the seashore.
Yes. This is alliteration. That means all similar sound one by one. So this is alliteration. You have to find out the alliteration from the poem. Now, first one, that they may build from age to age. That, they, the. Then next one, that we with thee may walk uncowed. That we with thee, were. Forgiveness free of evil done. Head, heart, and hand through the years to be. her, same sound. So these are all examples of alliteration. And now what is the rhyme scheme of the poem?
A B
B.
B.
ABB.
AABB. And now with this, our time is up. See you in the next class on Tuesday.
Bye, ma'am.
You will do the question
ma'am.
answer for homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
ma'am.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so
Bye,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.